Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones Xiaomi Buds 5. You have to start by open Xiaomi application, now click on gestures, and now you should choose what tab you wanna use, double press, triple press or one press, and left one or right one earbud. So I prefer a double press, and for the left one I prefer to lower the volume, so I click volume down, and for the right one I prefer increase the volume, so I click here and choose volume up. Now let's test it. Right here we have touch buttons on the headphones, so click it 2 times. So if I press 2 times on my right earbud, I will increase the volume. Here we go, and again. And if I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will lower the volume. 1, 2. Oh, sorry. 1, 2. And again, 1, 2. And I lower it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.